So as you can see, sit please. Jasper here doesn't have any eyes, but we're going to fix that today.
There we go, perfect.
I can't wait to bite your ass. Which one you want? Huh? Beef or chicken? Chicken. Yeah, you lucky she's standing right here. Otherwise, oh, bless you. As soon as she go to sleep, it's gonna be me and you. You got some nerve coming in my house thinking you can tell me what to do. I'm gonna bite your toes off one by one, and then I'm gonna feed them to you. Is the food ready?
你别掉下去了！啊！我靠！你干嘛？